how to deposit checks on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Cash App, then go to the home section by clicking on the bottom left hand side corner. Then scroll down and over here under the section of more ways to add money, you would be able to find the option of deposit check. Simply click on it. Then you need to scan both the sides of your check in order to upload the images of your check on Cash App, and this way you would be able to deposit the check on Cash App. In case if the option is not there for you, then probably you are not eligible for it. In order to get eligible for it, you need to have verified identity on Cash App, and also you should have a good history of doing different transactions on Cash App. After that, you will be getting this particular option. In case if you feel like you should be eligible but you are not, then you can ask the support to provide you with this particular option, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.